Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix immigration problems with USCIS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To fix immigration problems with USCIS, start by identifying your specific issue. Research the type of problem you are facing, such as application delays, denials, or status changes. Gather all relevant documents related to your immigration case. Check your USCIS account online for updates on your application status. If your case is delayed, consider contacting USCIS through their customer service hotline. Prepare your case details, including your receipt number and personal information, before calling. If your application has been denied, review the notice carefully to understand the reasons. Consult with an immigration attorney for assistance if needed. Consider filing a motion to reopen or reconsider if you believe the denial was incorrect. When preparing your motion, clearly outline the basis for your request. Submit the motion with the required fee and supporting documents to the appropriate address. If your application is still pending after a long wait, file a service request online. Include your receipt number and a brief explanation of the situation. Be patient, as it may take time for USCIS to respond. If you haven't received a response, follow up with your local USCIS office. Schedule an InfoPass appointment if necessary to discuss your case in person. During the appointment, bring all pertinent documentation and be prepared to explain your situation. For complicated cases, consider seeking help from nonprofit immigration organizations. Stay informed on any changes to immigration policies that may affect your case. Keep copies of all correspondence with USCIS throughout the process. Document any communications and maintain a timeline of your case activities. Lastly, ensure that you comply with all timelines and requirements set forth by USCIS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.